Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for your overall health: kidney health. We're talking about giving your body the best start to the day with a breakfast that supports your kidneys' natural detoxification processes. Just like we clean our homes regularly, our bodies need a little internal cleaning too. And guess what plays a huge role in that? You got it, our kidneys. They work tirelessly, filtering waste products from our blood, and we want to make sure they're functioning at their best. That's where our breakfast choices come in. We're going to explore 3 incredible fruits that you can easily incorporate into your morning routine to give your kidneys some love. Get ready to take notes and, as always, consult with your doctor if you have any underlying health conditions. Let's get started. First up, we have a superstar in the citrus world, the mighty lemon. This vibrant fruit is not just a treat for the eyes with its bright yellow hue, but it's also a powerhouse of health benefits. You know those bright yellow gems that add a burst of flavor to everything from water to desserts? They're incredibly versatile, enhancing the taste of a wide array of dishes and beverages. Well, they're also packed with a powerful compound called citric acid. This naturally occurring acid is what gives lemons their characteristic tangy taste. Now, citric acid isn't just about that tangy taste, it's a superhero for your kidneys. It plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney health by preventing the formation of harmful substances. Why? Because it helps prevent the formation of kidney stones, those pesky little crystals that can cause a lot of discomfort. Kidney stones are hard deposits made of minerals and salts that form inside your kidneys. Think of citric acid as a natural cleaning agent for your kidneys. It binds with calcium in the urine, reducing the risk of stone formation. It helps to break down those minerals that can clump together and form stones. By doing so, it ensures that your kidneys remain free from these painful obstructions. Plus, lemon juice can increase urine volume, which further helps to flush out toxins and prevent stone formation. Increased urine volume means that your kidneys are working efficiently to eliminate waste. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water is like giving your kidneys a refreshing morning cleanse. This simple habit can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. It's super simple, just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and enjoy it first thing in the morning. This easy-to-make drink can become a staple in your daily routine. You can even add a slice or 2 of lemon to your water bottle throughout the day for a continuous detoxifying effect. This way, you can enjoy the benefits of lemon water no matter where you are. And hey, if you want to get fancy, try adding a few mint leaves or a slice of ginger for an extra flavor boost. These additions not only enhance the taste but also bring their own set of health benefits. But remember, if you have any citrus allergies or sensitivities, it's best to skip the lemon and talk to your doctor about other options. There are plenty of other ways to support kidney health without risking an allergic reaction. So there you have it, a simple, refreshing way to kickstart your day and support your kidney health. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can be a small change with big benefits. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is all about making small, consistent choices that add up over time. Drinking lemon water is just one of many steps you can take towards better health. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, lemon water is a convenient and delicious way to stay hydrated and support your kidneys. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make? Here's to a healthier, happier you, one glass of lemon water at a time. Next, we're heading to the world of tart and tangy berries, cranberries. These vibrant red berries are not just a treat for the taste buds but also a powerhouse of health benefits. These little red powerhouses are famous for their ability to support urinary tract health, which is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. And guess what? Healthy urinary tracts equal happy kidneys. When your urinary tract is in good shape, your kidneys are less likely to face infections and other issues. Cranberries are packed with antioxidants, those amazing compounds that fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. These antioxidants help in reducing inflammation and protecting our cells from damage. These antioxidants, along with special compounds called proanthocyanidins, help prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This is particularly important in preventing urinary tract infections, which can be quite uncomfortable and even dangerous if left untreated. Why is this important for our kidneys? Well, our kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluids from our blood. Keeping them healthy is essential for our overall health. When bacteria hang out in the urinary tract, they can sometimes travel up to the kidneys and cause infections. This can lead to serious health issues, including kidney damage. And trust me, kidney infections are no fun. They can cause severe pain, fever, and other unpleasant symptoms. Preventing these infections is key to maintaining kidney health. So how can you incorporate more cranberries into your breakfast routine? There are plenty of delicious and easy ways to do so. You can add a handful of fresh or dried cranberries to your yogurt, giving it a tangy twist and a boost of nutrients. Oatmeal is another great option. Sprinkle some cranberries on top for a burst of flavor and health benefits. You can also mix them into your smoothie for a refreshing and nutritious drink. If you're short on time, you can also find unsweetened cranberry juice at most grocery stores. This is a convenient way to get your daily dose of cranberries without any hassle. Just make sure to check the label and choose a brand that's low in sugar. High sugar content can negate some of the health benefits of cranberries, so it's important to opt for a healthier option. Additionally, cranberry supplements are available for those who prefer a more concentrated form. These can be a great alternative if you find it challenging to incorporate cranberries into your diet regularly. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is all about making small, consistent choices. Adding cranberries to your diet is a simple yet effective way to support your kidney health and overall well-being. So let's give a big cheer for these tiny berries that pack a powerful punch. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Chapter 3. Last but not least, we have a fruit that's been a symbol of health for centuries. The apple. That's right, the old saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, holds some truth, especially when it comes to kidney health. Apples are a fantastic source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber is like a superhero for our digestive system, helping to keep things moving along smoothly. But here's the thing. Fiber also plays a role in supporting healthy kidneys. It helps to regulate blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol, both of which are important for kidney function. Plus, apples are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds, which can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. Chronic inflammation can take a toll on our kidneys, so it's important to include plenty of anti-inflammatory foods in our diet. There are endless ways to enjoy apples for breakfast. You can slice them up and add them to your cereal or oatmeal, dice them into pancakes or muffins, or simply enjoy a whole apple on the go. But don't stop at breakfast. Apples can be a versatile addition to your diet throughout the day. For lunch, consider adding thin apple slices to your salads for a sweet and crunchy twist. They pair wonderfully with leafy greens, nuts, and a light vinaigrette. For a snack, apple slices with a bit of almond butter or a handful of nuts can be both satisfying and nutritious. And let's not forget about dinner. Apples can be roasted alongside vegetables or even added to savory dishes like pork chops or chicken for a hint of natural sweetness. The possibilities are truly endless. Beyond their culinary versatility, apples are also incredibly convenient. They have a long shelf life and are easy to carry around, making them a perfect snack for busy days. Plus, with so many varieties to choose from, you can always find an apple to suit your taste, whether you prefer something sweet like a Fuji, or something tart like a Granny Smith. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a few apples. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Remember, maintaining kidney health is not just about avoiding certain foods, but also about including beneficial ones like apples in your diet. By making small, mindful choices, you can support your kidneys and overall health in the long run. So go ahead, enjoy an apple today and give your kidneys the fiber and anti-inflammatory power they need to stay healthy and strong. So there you have it, 3 simple yet powerful fruits that you can start incorporating into your breakfast routine to support your kidney health. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness advice. And be sure to share this video with your friends and family so they can start giving their kidneys some love too. Thanks for watching, and here's to a happy, healthy you.